Finally to my hotel room. And before I mess everything up, let me show you the room. Alright, so that gives me a decent light. So I am attending AIA Conference of this year in Boston, so that's why I am in Boston. However, I'm a bit late here because all the functions kind of start on Wednesday and you can attend classes and everything, and people often check in on evening of Tuesday to get ahead of everybody, but I wasn't able to come to the Wednesday stuff because I had daily tasks that I needed to satisfy, and that kind of held me back. So I just sort of joined the conference a bit late, but I was able to attend a couple of evening functions with Chaos and Trimble, which are the footages that you have seen, and I was able to see lots of familiar faces as well as having a great conversation. So I think I'm ready to wrap up today and get rested for the night and start fresh tomorrow, as well as the registration. So see you then. All right, heading out to the conference center. Apparently there's a scenic route, so let's go ahead and see it. Can kind of see what's going on since I haven't shaved for a while. Anyways, today is day 3 and I'm about to clean up my hotel room and check out and take everything to the conference so that I can leave for the evening. So lots are going on, but I'm starting a bit late since I had some tasks to take care of in the morning. But yeah, let's get going. Doing last minute check to look over if I have left anything, and I think we got everything packed and ready to go, so let's go.